Lately, it's been the same routine, the same day over and over. So, I decided to step out
We
for a
are
bit.
currently in the entrance of Gamchon village. As we can see, there are a lot of people. There are foreigner people, there are local people. So today we will diving into the culture, try to talk to local people or maybe the foreigner people as well, know their perspective, whether they see it as a commercial place to just visit or they know the history of the hardship how people went through during war and how they built this village. So see you guys soon.
When I first got here, it felt crowded, almost too loud. It felt like a place you just pass through, not really connect with. But the more I walked, the more it changed. This place was built by refugees during the Korean War. People came here because they had nowhere else to go. They built homes on this hill just to survive.
I came here trying to escape my routine, but this place wasn't built for the enjoyment or the peace. To escape, it was built for the survival. It was built for people to save their life, but now it's a different place.
Inside this red ball, there was a letter that gave us a future prediction and advice as well. So we did this activity.
So, do you know the history about this place? Like why?
Some bits, yeah.
Do you like this place?
Yeah, it's so nice, it's really cute. The architecture's really nice.
It's your first time coming here
No, it's been my third time actually.
to this Gamchon village.
I mean, it's on 2 times.
It's your second time.
Yes, again.
So can I know your perspective? Why would you like to come here? Like it's your second time. Why would you like to come here?
I would recommend it, I guess. I mean, it kind of became a bit touristy,
Yeah.
but I would recommend because the view and it's kind of very, especially not the main road, but the small areas, like the small streets. You have like a lot of different cafe and colorful buildings, which in Korea usually you don't find a lot of colors.
Do you know the history of this place? Why it was made initially?
I don't actually.
Oh, actually, so it was for the refugees during war. So it was for somebody they wanted to live. That's
I didn't know, so I didn't know it was for refugees, like Korean refugees.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
During the war, they came here to survive.
I think they should then emphasize it more. Maybe talk about it because people probably don't know it. They just come for the little prince.
So this place, I think it is now a tourist place. We can see a lot of souvenir goods. A lot of people, since I talked with them, I guess like a lot of Korean people, they haven't visited this place, and I meet few Korean people who said that it was their first time coming here. And in my interview with foreigners, I got to know like most of them, they don't know the background history, how Korean people were suffering and what was the purpose. It was made for somebody who wanted to survive. But nowadays people don't know that. So I think we should, or Korean government should emphasize more on telling the history.